Good morning, wonderful Knox people. It's a new roads update day. It's November 15th, about 12:30, and we're going to start at the south end and go in through the worship center, also known as the orange room, or room 4. And you will note up there in the ceiling, those are the air conditioning ducts for room 4. Kind of exciting, huh? And we'll go through into the corridor. This is going to be a wheelchair accessible door, so paddles on both sides. Ahead of me is room 5, which is dark right now, but it's going to be used for storage mostly when we're all done. And then turning down the corridor here, the wall is finished on my right, but on the left they haven't quite done all of the HVAC required. So eventually, once that's done, that will be actually covered doors because they have to get in there for maintenance and stuff. Coming to the end of corridor here, we have a coat area. Okay, turning left, the first room is a mechanical room for the elevator. And then, of course, our elevator, which is in the house, all the parts, and they're going to be building that this week. So that's really exciting. Moving down that wall, you can see down below there's pipes. That's for our water station down here. And to my right, storage underneath the new grand staircase. Back again, a little room here. It's a janitorial room. There'll be one of those big mop bucket things there, and some cupboards. And then we have our servery. I don't know, there are no lights in the servery right now, so we'll see how this works. But it's just roughed in, the drywall's in. Here's the plumbing for the sink. This will all be countertops and cupboards under up top, open underneath for our dish buggies that are going to be on rollers. There'll be a pantry at the end there, and then on this wall here there is a fridge and counter. And then of course we've got our exit door here that takes us into the nickel hall. So there's going to be 2 big glass double doors here, and well, it's just a holy mess in here right now. But this is the nickel hall, and it's probably about 75% done. A lot of drywall in here. Suspended ceiling will be going in the next week or 2 with the lighting, which is going to be really fabulous. The lighting is going to sort of wash down the walls. And if you want to talk about air conditioning, check this out. This is just one of the rooms where they all the ducts kind of come together. It's like a huge on-ramp, off-ramp for air. There's just, oh my gosh, there's so much air conditioning stuff in here. I don't know whether my video does it justice. Anyway, coming out of the nickel hall, on my left, this will be our wheelchair accessible bathroom downstairs. It's a big bathroom, of course. The door will have the paddle door. They've tiled it on the wall and on the floor. That at the back is a shower, and they haven't finished that in there yet. And then coming around, we have, here's our staircase, the doorway to the staircase leading up. Can't see much here because it's all full of scaffolding, but there are the stairs going up, and the scaffolding's in here because they're working on the new skylights that they're putting up there. And unfortunately, you can't really see it. It doesn't do it justice, but they're absolutely fabulous. The natural light that's going to be cascading down in through this stairwell is going to be just wonderful. So you'll come out through the stairwell, and if you do tend to turn right, then here are all the bathrooms. Bathroom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 down this hallway. On my right, 1 more. 7, 9 in total. And they're all tiled. The walls are tiled, the floors are tiled. We've just got them all covered up to protect them. And then coming around to the boiler room on my left, full of more ductwork. And that brings us back around to the coat area. And that's your new roads update for November 15th.